In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update website in Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger a fresh deployment so your latest changes go live with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to netlify.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your dashboard. You'll see a list of your sites. Find the one you want to refresh and click its name to open the project overview. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects or environments with similar names. Inside your project, look for the deploys area. This is where Netlify tracks every build of your site, including the source commit, the status, and the time it completed. It's a handy timeline that lets you confirm what's currently live and what's pending. Click Deploys to open that section. At the top of the Deploys page, you'll see a control labeled Trigger Deploy. This dropdown is your manual override. It tells Netlify to run a new build right now using the latest code from your connected repository or your current site configuration. This is useful if you've just pushed changes and want them live immediately, or if you need to rebuild after adjusting settings like environment variables or build commands. Open the Trigger Deploy dropdown and choose the option to deploy the project now. Netlify will kick off a new build. You'll see the status update from building to publishing, and finally to publish when it's finished. While it runs, you can expand the logs to watch the process in real time. If anything fails, the logs will point to the step that needs attention, such as a missing dependency or an incorrect build command. Once the deploy is published, your live site updates automatically. You can open the production URL to verify your changes. If you don't immediately see the update, try a hard refresh in your browser or wait a moment for the CDN to finish propagating. That's normal and typically resolves quickly. To recap the flow you just followed, go to Netlify, open your project, switch to the Deploy section, use the Trigger Deploy dropdown, and deploy the project to update your site. That's all it takes to push your latest work live with Netlify's dashboard cleanly and reliably.